this is Jill with stampwithjill.com and Fun Stamper's Journey. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card, which features the Good Life Prints paper, and I'm also going to show you this super versatile layout to use lots of your prints paper. So first let me show you the card. So this is the one we're going to make today on the video, but this is almost the exact same card, same layout, same circle, same paper pack, just a different card, different sentiment. Also the same paper pack, also the same paper pack, and another one from the same paper pack. Aren't these just beautiful? Okay, so let's get started on making this card. This one is my personal favorite. So first we are going to need the circles dies, which look like these. They're the Journey circles, and they also give you the piercing template that goes with it. We are going to use the 2 3/8 circle die with the coordinating piercing. I already have it cut out. And we're going to use the 1 3/8 circle die, also already cut out. We're going to use the meadow flower, and the embellishment that this one is called Spring Kisses, and it comes with white flowers and leaves. I used up all my flowers and I don't have the packaging, but these are my leftover leaves that we're going to use behind the big bloom. Okay, so my cardstock, it is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. The black is cut, not scored, at 4 by 5 1/4. The designer paper prints it's the Good Life Prints. It has a plaid on the background. This is cut at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And then I have some black and white. This is a 1/2 inch by 4 and 5/8 of an inch by 4. And then I have some scrap here for punching the scallop. So real quick, this is the punch for Fun Stamper's Journey. It's actually a system. I have it all put together. So first I'm going to show you how easy it is to punch the scallop. So there's the scallop we'll need for the card. And this is the punch system. So you need to purchase the handle, and the handle actually pops off, and you use this on all of your punches, and this folds flat for storage, so it's super simple. So you can see, I'm not going to click it right now, but it closes up for storage, and you set this aside, and then the punches you add to your collection with this, and this is the scallop. So the actual, when it's put together, it's kind of large, but the storage is super flat and super easy. So that's the punch real quick. All right, so now let's go ahead and put the card together. You're going to fold your cardstock in half for your card base and use your crease tool. And I did forget to show you the stamp set. That is called Remarkable You. It is a new sentiment set in the catalog, and we are going to use the Smile Everyday sentiment from that. Okay, so all we are going to do is tape these together. And then tape this to your card base. And then we have these two little pieces. We're going to tape those together. Okay. Put that right on the card. You can put this in a variety of places. I like to have it anchored on the bottom third of the card. It looks good here, and you can also change it up and put it here. But for today, we're going to put it at the bottom, somewhere in the bottom third. And then this is super simple. So I already pre-cut the circles, and they all layer together. So just put a little bit of tape here, the scallop right on there, And then we'll stamp the circle real quick with the Black Fusion Black Licorice ink. Okay, put that away. All right, there's a little, looks like there's a little tiny piece of fuzz on my card, but we're gonna go with it anyway. Layer that on. Then we are gonna put these on with some foam squares. Okay. Super, super fast. All you need are some sentiments and some pretty paper, and you are good to go. Now, you could totally leave it like that and it's a beautiful card. Very simple. I really like these flowers. The only thing about these flowers is that you will have to mail them in a bit fatter of a envelope, like maybe like a little bubble mailer or something like that, because they really don't smush down, but they're so beautiful. So they're going to be a little tight in a standard A2 envelope, but you can see they're really pretty, and they just really make the card pop. Okay, so to attach this, I need to trim. Let me grab my scissors. I'm going to just trim the edge of this off. And for these guys, same thing. So I only want 2 leaves at the top. So I'm going to put my adhesive here on directly on the card, and then kind of smush my leaves into it. And then I don't want 2 leaves. Oh, actually I do have 2 leaves on the bottom, so we'll do the same thing on the other side. And smush your leaves into it. And then to attach the flowers, you can use glue dots, you can use liquid glue. I think today I will use foam squares. So any kind of good, strong adhesive is all you need to put this flower on. They're pretty lightweight. Okay, so we have 2 of those on there. Smush that down real good. You can sort of fluff it up a little bit. And that is the card. Super, super simple and quick. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.